Hey, I'm Mr. Slunkypix, and welcome to my 1978 Dodge 440 powered boogie van named Moby Dick. Let's check out the outside of it. The outside is completely done to portray the story of Moby Dick. As you can see, there's a large sperm whale painted on the side. All the windows except for the plastic portholes in the back are acid etched. This tall one shows the famous whale getting speared in the night. And these main side windows have this rope surrounding with an anchor on the end. And the vent windows have a nice little ship too. As you can see, there's a lot of attention to detail on these windows, which really gives that nice pop to it. The windshield and the sunroof both have Moby etched into it, with the same rope surrounding it. The top here is done a lot more detailed. Seeing as they have both windows to work with, they were able to get a lot more detail put onto the actual windows themselves. The entire van is done in murals to show the Pequod in the night. The murals are done so intricately that it would be easy to hide tiny little details that you wouldn't notice unless you looked closely. Like up here, they have two flags. The sperm whale's tail comes out the back of the portholes, almost as if it goes in through the entire vehicle. The other side of the van is also just the same image, flipped. As you can see, it also says Pequod on the side as well. The mural was done by Jim Beveridge in 1986 to look as it is today. Sperm whale is done so precisely that it is amazing how much detail was put into it. You can also see that the eye has a whole pile of different lines to make it look realistic. In the back here is the worst amount of the rust. We do have the flare though that does go there on a trailer, which I will be able to put on to it later in the restoration project. As you can see, there's a big hole right here, which won't be too difficult to fix, but is still work. There's also rust over here at the windows, which is not too good, but isn't nearly as bad as it is in that one wheel well on the other side. You can't miss the van's name, seeing as the entire back door says Moby on it, and it's covering the whole entire door. You can see all the rust that is in the back here, which is not too good to have. It goes all the way up. Here's the area where the flare would go for comparison to how rusty it is here. And look at this grille. It's so streamlined and modern. Of course, that is what they were going for back in the late 70s and early 80s for most vehicles. That was the style back then, so they wanted to include it in everything. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my restoration, then please like and subscribe. Remember, I'm only 13, so the project will be tedious, but it'll be worth it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.